Huh. Do you ever wonder why your fans are creaking? Don't want your house to sound like the start of a horror flick? We all know that the noisy ceiling fan is one of the worst household annoyances. Looking at the top of your head, you can see a ceiling fan. And just like any household items, it has a working mechanism in it. You just gotta know what's up. Indelicate fan designs, low performance on motors, rubbers, or plastic parts become brittle and break are the reasons why fans creak, stall, or wobble. So for the average Joe, all we need is a fan that spins and makes no noise. Well, the solution is professionally designed fans, quality product, and also craftsmanship. I understand that in this oversaturated market, it's easy to get lost in your options and it's hard to make your final decision. Well, I got the perfect solution for you. EcoFan, the local brand, stands out from the crowd. EcoFan brings you the greatest value at an affordable cost. User-friendly radio frequency remote controls offers convenient controlling of wind speeds and directions. Plus, you can have adjustable light temperatures to best suit the room environment. EcoFan uses Japanese-made bearings which are durable, slim motor system which results in compact, light, and absolutely silent fans. The best part is, it is easy to install. You can do it yourself. If you don't want to, they will have it installed for you. There is too much info for me to relay. To find out more, click on the link below for all your fan needs. Till next time, I will see you.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.